Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Look, you probably heard it by now, the concept of being an AI-first company. And it's not really just a buzzword anymore. We're seeing some major CEOs coming out talking about how they're transforming their whole business to be AI-first. CEOs like Toby Lutke of Shopify and Louis Von Ahn from Duolingo. They have come out publicly stating how they're betting big on their companies becoming AI-first companies. In one of my previous videos, I went over the different steps that you can personally take on integrating agentic AI workflows into your work. If you haven't watched that, you can kind of see it around up here to click on it to watch that for later. We have been doing extensive research on what it means to be an AI-first company. And in our case, we're kind of leading the way with that as well, as we are an AI-first company. And we've distilled it down into 7 highly actionable principles for you. So if you're ready to make this transformation, grab your pencil and pen and let's dive right in. Principle number 1 is strategy first, AI second. Now I know that kind of sounds weird, whereas this whole time I've been talking about being an AI first company, but when it comes to actually integrating AI into your company and being at the foundation, you have to have a clear strategy. The tech is really, really cool and exciting, but one of the biggest mistakes that you and your company can make is chasing the shiny object without a clear vision or a clear why behind it. So ask yourself, what core business problems am I trying to solve within my business, for my clients, or for my customers? How will this AI initiative improve the customer experience, boost my revenue, or cut costs? It's super important to not just implement AI for the sake of implementing AI because everybody else is, so maybe I should too. You want to implement AI into your business because it actively supplements and supports your strategic goals and solves real high impact problems. Principle number 2, automate the routine and elevate the human. Like in my other videos, I've probably said a million different times at this point, because I'm really trying to bring it home for you. There are so many tasks that you do in your day-to-day life that you could start to automate. By implementing automation into your business, this frees up your team members' times to do what humans do best: real-life strategic thinking, the complex problem solving, of course the creativity, and actually building deep customer relationships. You know, the things that people actually enjoy doing. I hate to be the bearer of bad news for those that are business owners here, but your employees probably don't love making PowerPoint decks or having to manipulate data on an Excel sheet. Shocking, I know. Principle number 3, data is your fuel. This one is a non-negotiable. AI runs on data. It's as simple as that. And that's it. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk today. But seriously, if your data is messy, siloed, inaccessible, or just straight up low quality, any AI initiative that you try to implement will fail, period. You must view your data as a strategic core asset of your business. And this means in investing in modern data infrastructure, breaking down those silos, ensuring that you have high quality data, and most importantly, when it comes to your data, is implementing strong governance structures. So think of it like this. Our CEO, Peter Guigenti, who besides being an AI expert, is an actual race car driver. If I was at a race with Peter, who in this case is the expert, if I am putting into his model, his race car, low quality fuel, what do you think is going to happen? The race car is going to blow up, it's not going to work, and the race car driver is going nowhere. Same thing when it comes to your business, your AI structures, when it has low quality data. I love giving that example because who wouldn't want to talk about their CEO being a real race car driver? And then we have principle number 4, which is experiment boldly, learn quickly. Becoming AI first isn't a one-time project. It is an ongoing process. You need to foster a culture where constant experimentation is encouraged, not punished. Make sure it is safe for your teams to try out new AI tools and products, whether they be small or large. And obviously, make it known that you cannot use any customer or proprietary information. That just goes without saying. And a huge part of this is going to be a way for you to create how they can share what they have learned from using these different tools or trying these different projects. If I do a really cool AI project or find a really cool AI tool, but I tell no one, well, that doesn't help anybody. Foster an environment where you share everything that you're doing. What worked, what didn't work, what you liked, what you didn't like, why didn't you like it, why you did like it, all of it. The collective learning accelerates the progress throughout the whole entire company and fosters a pretty cool culture. Principle number 5, upskill everyone, everywhere. AI is not just for your tech teams. It is for every department. It is for every team member. To be truly AI first, it takes your entire team to be AI literate across the board, from the C-suite all the way down to the front lines. Invest in training programs for them. Empower your team members, your employees, to actually adopt that AI first strategy. Give them the time and resources to try out AI, learn more about it, and see why and how it can actually augment their work. This will build confidence in them and their abilities, as well as a greater adoption throughout the company. Principle number 6, build smart, scale fast. It's great to just have fun and experiment, but you do need to have a path to production. Choose AI tools and platforms that are flexible, integrate well with your existing systems, and can scale with you as you grow. And please make sure to not get stuck in pilot purgatory. This is why having a strategy from principle number 1 is so important. But now it's time to put it in production. And lastly is principle number 7, lead with trust and responsibility. As usage of AI becomes more widespread at your company, it is of utmost importance for you to create and maintain trust with your team members, your customers, or your clients. This means embedding the ethics, the security, the fairness, and AI governance into your strategy from the very beginning. It's just a non-negotiable. Be transparent, ensure human oversight, as we like to call it, a human in the loop, and be some of the people that are fighting for the good and helpful usage of AI, not just the doom and gloomers about AI. Show them with your actions why it can be good, because responsible AI isn't just good ethically, it's good for business too. So there you have it, our 7 principles on becoming an AI-first business. So let's recap them real quick. Strategy is first, automate and elevate, data is fuel, experiment and learn, upskill everyone, build and scale, and lead responsibly. Easy enough. Becoming AI-first is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a deep organizational transformation from the bottom to the top. But following these 7 principles will help you with a solid foundation for success. And for all my business owners out there, which one of these principles resonates the most with you that you're excited to implement into your business? And/or what are some of the biggest complications that you see to actually making your company an AI-first company? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel where I'm keeping you up to date on all things agentic AI and how you can implement it into your own workflow or your business. And of course, if you're a business owner that you would like help setting up AI agents to help you do all of this and automate the work at your company, head over to our website at integral.ai and book a demo with us, or just leave a comment and we can reach out to you. Make sure to stay tuned for the next videos, and we'll see you next time.